it's Cassandra. We're going to be going through LinkGreen's email marketing builder. So to begin, please log into your account and then you're going to go to marketing and select email builder. From here, you're going to see that there's multiple templates for you to choose from. There's a blank template, which allows you to build an email from scratch. And then there's a whole bunch of B2B specific email templates for you to kind of pick and choose and customize for yourself. Today, we're going to do the single product feature template, just as an example. LinkGreen's emails are built using sections. So as you can see on the left-hand side here that there's various sections. So as you go ahead and edit this template, you're going to expand each section and fill out the required fields. For the header logo section, you're going to notice that your logo automatically updates. So you don't have to change that, but I do recommend changing the links. I would recommend using the links as prescribed in this template. So view catalog, login, and create account. Those are all really useful links for your customers. All those links for your account is under marketing and promotional tools. So it's pretty easy to quickly populate them. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up the editing here so you don't have to sit through it. And here we go. Okay, now we're just going to hit save. We're going to save this for the first time. So I'm just going to name this May product feature. And this is going to be an announcement, and you're just going to hit save there. It did automatically populate with the sample data just on our back end here. So you're going to have to go ahead and populate each image as you see fit. We'll do that right now. So we're just going to, and then here your media library is going to pop up. Under settings in your account, you can upload whatever images you would like to your media library, and then it will allow you to select them and insert them into your email like this. So this is the header image I would like, and then I'm just going to hit save and refresh just for good measure. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to continue to work down throughout all these fields here. So this is the rich text editor. It's a typical rich text editor, so you can change your font size. You can add a link within the text. You can change your formats, headers, inline blocks. Really simple. It does come with a spell check function, which is pretty convenient there for you. So I'm just gonna speed up as I fill this out quickly. Okay, so in this feature block section, you're able to actually select a product directly from your online catalog. So we're just going to open up the product selector here. And you can type in the product code however you'd like to search. I'm just going to pick our cardinal shaped feeder. And then you just save and refresh and it's just going to populate. Okay, I'm just going to speed things up here again just to get through this product feature section. Okay, great. So once you're done editing your email, you're just going to go up to the top here and put in a subject line. I put in this line, and then I'm going to just hit this check mark button, and then I'm going to send myself an email to test. I recommend always doing this as the best practice. So when you do see it in your inbox, I suggest you click every link, check for spelling, all that kind of thing. So once you've reviewed your email, you're going to go over to the recipient section. You're able to choose which customers are going to receive this email. So you can choose all your customers, or you can choose any customers who've been set up as a communication group. You can do that by region or pricing level, whichever you'd like. So I'm just going to pick all customers here, and then you would hit the send button there. All the analytics for your emails will be available on your supplier dashboard, just in the email section. We do offer complimentary training, so if you're interested in a one-on-one training session to get you started on this email builder, you're welcome to give me a call at 1-888-476-6527 or just shoot me an email at helpful@linkgreen.ca. But otherwise, thanks so much for listening.